Hello everybody, I'm here with the product review. So the other day, you probably seen the video by now when I did my haul. I did of my local dollar store. And so I told you that I got 2 of these wipes for 99 cents. They were $2.90, so that's 50, just about 50 cents each, right? So I just wanted to test it out and let y'all see what kind of wipes these are. Okay, so I'm gonna open it. So by the way, I didn't even say what these are. It's called Wish Hand Sanitizing. Girl, stop it. Wish Hand Sanitizing Wipes. Disinfecting. Kills 99.99 of most common germs. We need that, right? It's 80 wipes in here. It's a fresh scent. They hand sanitizer, so you can use it for your hands. I use them for surfaces. Now this right, and they got so little here, I can barely see. Wish Hand Sanitizing Wipes offer a convenient way to clean and sanitize your skin when soap and water are not available. Each wipe is soft, thick, moisturized with antibacterial cleansing solution. They kill 99.99 of most common germs while leaving all of skin surfaces clean and feeling smooth. Okay, so let me see what the ingredients are in here. Like I said, the writing is so small, even with glasses, it's hard for me to see. So this is a bit better here. So the active ingredients is benzalkonium chloride, benzalkonium. What the heck? Did I say that? Did I say that? Yes. I don't know what that chemical is, but evidently is a cleaning solution. It says antiseptic skin cleanser, so that's what it is. So they claim that it's thick. It's not thick. You can clean your hands with it. I use these because I also have another one, and that's mostly has alcohol in it. Hey, my hands is feeling pretty good with this. Yeah. You know what? I carry around the hand sanitizers and stuff like that. It's drying, y'all. It's really drying. But this here is good to have on hand, even for your kids. Like, I like to go to the mall. So if you have your kids, your grandkids with you, and they always spilling something, they always getting dirty, you can take this and you can wipe their hands off. And they're not as big as they're saying. It's not thick. But hey, for 2 of these for 99 cents, that's a good buy. It smells real clean. It has a little bit of fragrance in it, but it's not overwhelming, and it smells clean. And y'all, I really like this. I really like this. I have heard some people saying, they don't like this hand sanitizer because they'd rather wipe their hands off. And I use the hand sanitizer if I don't have anything else, but this here is a lot better. I would like this when I eat out, and then I can, you know, clean up after myself. So I also use this, you know, to dust with, like my TV, stuff like that. To sink, like quick cleanups. You know, when maybe you did the full cleanup a day or two ago, and then you just want to freshen up the house a little bit. This is excellent for that. Okay. So what I'm going to say too is, people have been telling me, oh, I think it has aloe in it. Isn't that an aloe plant? I think so, yeah. That's why my hands are so soft. So a lot of people have been telling me that, you know, some of these products are not available in their area. That's why I'm showing you these products. Just in case you stop in the store and you see this on the shelf and it may be inexpensive, and you be saying, I'm not going to buy that cheap stuff. I don't know how that works. Now you see how it works. And in my area, it's a lot of local dollar stores, and some stores, they're not calling them dollar stores. It's like kind of like a variety store. They sell some of everything. You can find stuff like this. If you guys have a store called Value Zone, we have that in my area. That's a very good store to pick up stuff like this and even other items, and they're very affordable. So also, don't be afraid to try different stores. I know, yeah, I'm gonna keep it real. Some of these stores are in the different neighborhoods where it might be a little bit rough, but actually these are not in a real rough area. I shop in this area all the time. Y'all be seeing me. But some of these stores that carry stuff like this are in areas that may be a tiny bit rougher, and you be saying, am I gonna need security to go in there? Hey y'all, I hear y'all. You want to feel safe and be safe. But on the other hand, there are some stores that carry like West Indian goods, Spanish goods, and you know, they have stuff that's out of the ordinary. I love those stores. Matter of fact, so what I'm basically trying to say is, go to some, you know, unusual places. It doesn't have to be a bad area. I was just making a joke of it. It wasn't really funny, but at the time it was funny to me. But go to some unusual stores, your ethnic stores, and you might see a little convenience store on the side of the road, and go in there and see what's available in there, because it may be products that you're not used to seeing, and you can get some really, really nice stuff, unusual things. So don't just stick to, you know, Target, Walmart, and stuff like that. Seek out some other stores, and you will find some gold, y'all. I'm telling you. You will really strike some gold. Okay? So this is the end of this video. I thank you all for watching. I thank you for your support. Thank you so much to my subscribers, because y'all have really supported me through this journey. I will be on YouTube 10 years in May. In May, it'll be 10 years. I didn't think I was going to be up here that long, y'all. So thank you so much. And even though my audience is not real big, I have a loyal audience, and that means so much to me. So y'all have a great day, okay? Bye.